Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Vedam's World, and today I've got a new game, Mandala. See? I'll show you it around. This is facing to it. See, Mandala. This is an art that can improve your imagination, creativity, hand-eye coordination, and do it yourself and knowledge.
And what is that first one?
5 to 99 years age. Why can't a 100-year-old guy play this? Why? Why can't a 100-year-old guy play this? Are you kidding me? It's 5 to 99. Where is the 0 and 1? Where is the 1 with the 0? Where is it? You tell me. I won't tell you. You tell me. Okay, leave that. Okay, let's start the unboxing of the packet.
For the back side also, everything.
You will get inside is 12 sketch pens. How am I reading backwards?
You're smart.
And 20 sheets.
Okay, what else?
And the design. What kind of designs are these? Mandala art. Okay. Can we start the unboxing?
Yes, you can do that.
Yeah. Where is the tone part? Oh, it's already here. Why is this tone? Why is it? Flick a plastic tone. Please unbox. Please unbox. Thank you for unboxing. I'm doing the unboxing. And I'm telling you, thank you for unboxing.
But we cannot see
Hi. Mandala. Yeah. Yeah. Open it. Yeah. There you go. I'll just lift it a little. And then just pull this out. I don't need this. Take the plastic away. I don't need a plastic. Mandala. Okay, are you ready, guys? Let's see what's inside. I'm not sure. You gotta promise me that you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Then, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it, then you get to see it. If you did, you'll not. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And why is this one? Oh, yeah, it's opening. I can see a way in. Where are the sketch pens? Oh, there are they.
Okay, so there are some sheets here.
And why are there stickers in here?
There must be some reason for it.
Why is there stickers in here?
See, there must be a reason behind it.
What is this?
Just remove the cover.
We don't need this. Take. What is this?
It was just a packing. Yeah, I guess it's moved in shipment. Okay, so there's the sketch pen.
Sketch pens and some mandalas.
So it must have been like this.
So what's happening?
Maybe other quick Yeah, I'm just fixing for you.
Till then, I'll tell you a joke. Was French fries made in French?
France.
How did you hear my joke? I was talking to the viewers personally. How did you hear my joke?
So it was supposed to be like this. You just push it. It's okay.
What?
It doesn't matter.
Leave it. We don't need this. the sketch pens.
Okay, can you open this some mandala? You want to show something? No? Or one by one later?
Oh yeah. How many which kind of colors are there? Pink, purple, orange, blue, green, peach, yellow, brown, some kind of bluish green, red, bluish purple, and black. Are you kidding? What are you seeing? And there are 20, means I get 20 videos just doing this.
And
What?
your viewers will love it.
Yes, they are already loving it so much that they're gonna subscribe to my channel
Yeah.
and like this video.
Okay.
Okay, so in the next video, I will show you how to do these mandalas. And if you don't like or subscribe this video, then you will not get to see if this will fall off my head. And I'll do this. Nah, you're kidding me. You will not get to see how I do this. Okay? So you gotta like and subscribe, and that's a promise that you never break. Okay? Otherwise you'll not get to see this. Or you'll just not get to see this. So guys, in the next video, I will show you how to do one mandala. So guys,